Welcome to Aryanth English Medium School, Solapur for online teaching session 2020-21. Myself, Mrs. Lata Kodam. I am the teacher of EVS subject. Students, today we are going to start our EVS 2 chapter number 1, that is Maharashtra before Shivaji. Before starting this lesson, we'll see some introduction about Shivaji. In medieval period, different states of India were ruled by different kings. Some of them were very kind and some kings were very cruel, not just to kings for other states but with their own subject of people as well. They oppressed the people over to whom they ruled. Because of that, the people had to suffer a lot. There was injustice everywhere. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this and took the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. He fought bravery against cruel things and their power that oppressed the people and defeated them. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinctions between Hindus and Muslims. He treated everyone well. He used to honor all the saints of religions. This how Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was. Because of his kindness and greatness, we always remember him with a great respect. So this was short introduction about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Now let us go to the first lesson and understand properly. The name of the lesson is Maharashtra before Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with a great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and povadas in his honor. You garland his picture and say, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Who was his Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. In those days, monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. But even those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishnadevara of Vijapur in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands a great respect even today. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies of each other. They consistently fought against each other with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, or could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safely even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. They loved only their Jagirs and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misery everywhere. People were tired of his oppression and were very unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first bought Tubuk Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindvi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinctions between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the sons of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. During a period of about 3 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many sons were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful efforts of establishing Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what these sons did.